Latte makeup. You've probably been seeing that trend everywhere just like me, and honestly it looks chef's kiss. Let's get into it. You know I mean business when I put my braids back. I have my brows on, going in my Rare Beauty foundation. I cover my entire face with this, going in with a little e.l.f. brush to blend everything out. We don't want to be looking like a two-toned bagel. I don't know why I went with that metaphor. Going straight in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Warm. You know it's a good day when you have a fresh concealer. I'm gonna put this right underneath my eyes and also winging it out just a little bit in my T-zone. I'm going straight in with my Morphe sponge and blending that out. This look is like perfect for summer. It's that perfect balance between smoky brown and like a golden hour mixture. Now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk. We're actually gonna use this as our bronzer. Yes, hear me out. This shade is like Golden Goddess Dream. It is like the perfect shimmery bronzy color. I'm gonna do 3 dots over here. And then 2 dots over here. You can put a little bit over here. I'm using a Morphe Y10 brush. We're gonna blend in that bronzer. This is like the most gorgeous bronzer for summer. Go get it. I'm going in with my Morphe sponge to make sure that everything is blended and seamless. You know what? I could just leave the house like this. Do you see how dewy my skin looks? I'm going in with the NARS concealer in Custard, and I'm putting that only underneath my eyes to highlight and kind of clean up that bronzer that we just put on. Going in again with my sponge and blending that out. And I'm mainly focusing it right in the center of my face. Now to set my face before the bake, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder. Taking that on a flat brush and just pressing that underneath my eyes and everywhere else I want to set my face. Powder time. I'm going in with my Laura Mercier right on my sponge and then press that right underneath my eyes. I'm also going to bake right underneath my jawline. I look crazy, but trust the process. Trust the process. Now I literally leave it on for maybe 2 seconds and then I wipe it off. Oh, I just poked my eye. To make our skin even more bronzy, I'm going in with the Tarte Clay Play palette. Mine is very crusty and very dusty. I'm gonna mix those 2 shades together and bronze up my skin. Now we're gonna let the skin just chill for a little bit until we do the eyes. I'm going in again with my Tarte palette. I am grabbing those on a very dirty brush that we're not gonna talk about. And I'm putting those right into my upper crease. This is gonna be our transition color so that the browns just end up being seamless. Going in with the darkest brown in the palette on an angled brush. I'm gonna smoke that out on my upper lash line. My eyes are like watery because I keep poking them. Taking the other end of the brush, which is also dirty and we're also not going to talk about it, and I'm just going to blend that lash line out. Taking the same brown underneath my eyes. You can tell I'm a little bit stressed out because I keep poking my eyes. Using the first 2 shades of brown, I'm going to blend the under eyes and I'm going to smoke it out all the way down. Now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm using the shade Mocha. I'm gonna pat that on my top lid and my crease. Blend everything out. I'm taking a slightly darker shade, Soda Pop, and I'm gonna smoke out my lash line. But this time I'm smoking it out up onto my eyelids. This look is making me crave coffee, and I don't even drink coffee. I'm gonna use this gold shade on a fluffy brush. I'm spraying some setting spray on my brush. That's gonna make it really pigmented. Taking that right on to my eyelids, all the way to the top. So I'm mixing the 2 shades in Queen and Firework. Ooh, that's pigmented. Don't forget the lower lash line. Now this isn't latte makeup. I don't know what it is. Lastly, I'm taking the ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money on a teensy little brush, and I'm gonna put that into my inner corners. Woo! That's pigment, baby. That's pigment. I'm just quickly curling my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline Sky High, and I'm really getting into those eyelashes. We're not wearing falsies today, so you better put on that mascara. Wow, this mascara deserves credit. Eyes are looking gorge. Mascara is done. Eyes are done. Moving on again to the face, I'm taking the same ColourPop highlighter. I'm using a fan brush, and I'm just gonna apply this right onto my skin. Onto my nose as well. It is hard for me not to use blush. Okay, so I feel like I just have to put just a little bit. And for that, I'm going in with the Kylie blush in Winter Kiss, just to bring back some color, because I can't live without blush. I'm sorry. Yes. I'm a happy girl now. See, just a little bit, just a tiny bit. Finishing off the face, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Is that enough? I can drench my entire face in this every day and like literally just exist. A little bit more. Somebody take it away from me. Lastly, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution lip liner in TGIF. This is hands down my favorite lip liner. And I'm just gonna line my lips a little too much. If the color doesn't look good, we can just wipe it off. Let's try this again. I'm switching to the Makeup Revolution lip liner in Fling, which is a mauve shade that also needs sharpening. I'm gonna bring that onto my lips as well. I'm going in with the Kylie lipstick in Chloe, just in the center of my lips. That is it, guys. This is the Latte makeup tutorial, just a million trillion steps later. I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me latte makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what other makeup looks you want to see next. Comment down below if you're a latte girl or a matcha girl. I'm a matcha girl. Maybe next time I'll do a matcha latte look. But for now,